Is the Zeus coin really worth the hype? Hey guys, how you doing? Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so hit the subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked, and that way you get updated with any new content. Well, it's about time the packages arrived. I've been waiting forever for the Zeus coins and the Mandalorian coins. Seems like everybody in the stacking community already got theirs. Anyway, why don't we just unbox these and take a look at them a little closer. So today I'm going to be unboxing, I believe, the Zeus coins, which are in this box, which is kind of insane if they are, because I didn't get that many. And I believe the Bart Simpson. So I'm going to open these up off the camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so it's rather much for just a small roll of Zeus coins. Now I only got 10. The reason for that was because the company LPM, which basically had these almost exclusively, they were asking for a ton of information. If you've never purchased from them before, they were asking for driver's license, and you know, all sorts of stuff. And I was like, what do they need the driver's license for? Some people are saying, oh, it's for FedEx. I'm like, well, that I still don't understand. I mean, I guess for security purposes. I'm only going to take one out of the tube here, or the plastic, not the tube. And I'll give you my thoughts on this coin. So here's the thing. With these coins, there is such a limited mintage. I believe that the mintage was only 10,000, if I'm not mistaken. I have to double check that. But these Zeus coins sold out in record time. I mean, it was like a day. Not even maybe. It was like a frenzy. And APMEX did have a bunch of these, and they held on to some of them. And as the supply started to go down, the pricing went up, just like your standard supply and demand model. But, you know, this is a really, really cool coin. And, you know, it would be interesting to see what they're going to do with this, if they're going to continue on as a series, or if this is going to be a one-off. I have not seen any news on whether or not they are going to make a series out of these coins. Maybe some of you have seen something, so if you have, definitely comment down below. But if they are going to be doing a Greek Gods series, you know what? This is going to shoot up in price in the secondary market like you could not believe, mainly in part due to, one, again, just the very limited mintage of only, I think, 10,000 worldwide. The other thing, too, is that the number of Greek gods is quite robust. So they can keep on churning out various gods, and, you know, the first in the series always goes up in value. What are my thoughts on this coin in terms of the design? You know, I think it's cool. I do think it's a little bit cartoonish, to be honest with you. You know, a lot of people think that this design is outstanding. I don't think it's necessarily outstanding. I don't think it's terrible, but, you know, I have seen many coins which have a far worse design, like the tiger coin that Laos put up. But, you know, this coin, in my opinion, I guess, just talking design alone, I'd probably give this, I would say, like a 3.5 out of 5 stars. That's what I would give this coin. If I have to do full stars, because if the emoji thing won't allow me, I'll say, you know, 3 stars. You know, people are going to say I'm nuts, I'm crazy, what have you. Just something about it. I think it's okay, but I think it's a little bit too cartoonish. I think I would have liked to have seen almost like a more realistic type of interpretation. The other thing too is, like, you look at the arm, it kind of looks detached, right? It kind of doesn't even look like it's really on there correctly. Maybe Zeus had an old football injury that he received in high school, maybe college. It's possible. Maybe he popped his rotator cuff. I don't know. But it looks like it's like the perspective is off a little bit. His arm is completely twisted to the side. So it looks a little bit strange. Other than that, I still think it's a cool coin. I picked up 10 just because of the hype on these. I will be auctioning some of those off as time goes by. Now this I will be saving for another upcoming video. And I would just like to thank these elite channel supporters, and if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Long live the Empire.